got one each. Can you open them? Bring it over and let me see. You're not letting us see what you've got. Oh, look. Good treats. Do you not open your toys? Right, let's see who's first to open it. Oh, Zelda's got hers opened. No, she's got yours opened. That's yours, Leo. It's Mickey Mouse. Look, you're opening Minnie Mouse. Come on, Mickey. Come on, I'll help you. Oh, let me see. Look, you've got the girls' one. Bring them over and let me see. Oh, look, what have we got? Ah, look, it's wee Minnie Mouse. That was meant to be Zelda's. And that's Leo's. Look, Leo, look. It's Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse. Ah, let me see. Oh, you playing with the paper? Oh no, you play. That's the pink one, that's for a wee girl. That's for wee Zelda. It's Zelda's. And where's Leo's? Here's yours, Leo. Here's yours. Look. Hey. You're going awful quiet. You opened your parcels. Right, would you like the breakfast now? Who wants breakfast? And then you'll get brushed, because you're going out. Aren't you?